So what we got here is Little Tikes Junior Jump and Slide Bouncer. Let's cut this off and unleash this bouncer. Let's go. Alright, the first one we're gonna pull out is the blower. Okay, this is what the blower looks like. This is easy to inflate, guys. It only took me like 5 minutes to get everything done. So that's what the blower looks like. It has 3 prongs right there. 1, 2, 3. See it? That's where the air goes out. You plug it in. And the next one we're gonna pull out is the main enchilada. It's the bouncer, the jumper. It looks like a snake up in there sleeping for a while. Wake up, wakey wakey, let's go. So I'm gonna unfold this. It's like a clothes, trying it out under the sun. Okay, unfold it. You see that yellow on my right hand? That's where the air goes. So what is this? This is the thing you stick it on the ground. Alright, to secure the bouncer. What is this? A manual? We don't need that. I don't like manual. Only when I get stuck. Let's throw that away. What is this one right here? To store the bouncer. Okay, so let's go to work. So you're gonna plug it in. 3 prongs. Plug it in. Blow. Alright, and then like what I said, the yellow that's sticking out, you tie them up to the end of the blower where the air blows. There's a switch on and off, on off, on off. Easy peasy. So you're gonna tie them up, make sure it's all tight, give it some slack, turn it on, and watch it come to life. Not even 5 minutes, guys. This is the super easiest jumper. Look, I put it on the side because I had it twisted. So I tie him up twisted. Make sure you tie him up straight. So this is what it looks like. See? I laid the blower on the side. So we're gonna fix that. See that? I got it all twisted. That's an easy fix right there. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna untie it and then twist it around. Okay, twist it around to make sure they're not twisted. And let me tie it back up. Okay, they're all standing up, they're all straight, squared away. And then we're gonna secure it with this stick. Hit it to the ground with a hammer. I don't have a hammer. I got this, alright, tube right here. And then do it all the way around. Okay, that's what it looks like. Easy peasy, less than 5 minutes. You got your bouncer set up. Call your neighbor, call your son, your daughter, call your mom, dad. Let's hop in and let's get this party started.